Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to hop on quick to say thank you to all of you that participated in the auction this weekend. It was a huge success, and I was able to pay off 75% of my vet bill. So I am truly, truly grateful for your support, and I just wanted to say thank you. As for Clyde, he is doing so much better on this medication, and I'm very hopeful that he'll stick around a little bit longer with us. He is such a beautiful, beautiful boy, and he makes my life so much happier. I'm sure a lot of you pet owners realize what I'm talking about. Clyde, can I get you to say thank you, buddy? See, if I could talk, you would be very, very rich, huh? Yes, he's just a beautiful boy, and he thanks all of you. He does think he's fancy, though, because he has one shaved paw and a side do there. Clydie, you're a mess, buddy. They had to drain him, so that's what that is from, and that's where he had his IVs. But look at him. He's so happy. He's such a beautiful boy. All right, on with the show, guys. So we're going to do a split color Dutch pour. Now my paints are all mixed, 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then you add water until it's the consistency of cream. You want it to be thin to be able to blow it around with your blow dryer pretty easily. That lavender color, we'll call it, that you're seeing is actually muted gray. It has a purple base to it. It's a really pretty color, and I will put that in my Amazon shop. So I left this little part in here for you to show that I always have some kind of blooper happening when I'm filming these videos. It's like, come on, give me a break already. So I have all the paints blown around, and now I'm just going to add my colors down the center. So these paints are mixed the same, 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, water, till it matches the base paints. And I'm using quinacridone Blue Violet by Liquitex, Muted Turquoise by Liquitex, Phthalo Green by Golden, and then that white that you saw me pour in there, that's actually a combination of Deco Art Pearl and Vallejo's Pearl Medium. So when it's time to blow out your paints, what you want to do is you want to start further away from the canvas and slowly get closer to the paints. And once you start lowering your blow dryer towards the paints, you'll start to see them move, and you know that you're at the correct distance to move those paints. Don't start right up close to it, or else it may be too strong and you may just blow them off of the canvases themselves, like I did in this funny video linked up above. It was my first time trying a Dutch pour, and it was a disaster, but it turned out beautiful. So yeah, you always want to start further away from your puddle of paints and slowly approach with the air on. Once you start seeing that paint move, you know you're right where you need to be. So I'm just blowing these colors out, looking at the design, trying to make things match up. I did a little snafu there on the 3rd canvas on the left. I blew it out, and then I shouldn't have blown out that 2nd part right next to it that's in the white. I didn't aim correctly. So what I'm trying to do is just fix things now. You saw I added a little bit of paint there. It got cut off for some reason, but I ended up blowing it out more, and this is what I ended up with, and I absolutely love it. The cells are amazing, and let me tell you what's causing those. The combination of the Floetrol, the combination of using different brand paints, and the pearl paints. Whenever you use a metallic or a pearl in your painting, it's going to create cells like that. So I'm just giving you a different view of how these could be displayed. You can display them with the white at the top or the white at the bottom. I happen to like this way better. But overall, I am extremely happy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please bear with me during this next week or two. I have 36 paintings I have to resin and ship out. So videos may be a little bit shorter. But I hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, happy pouring.